Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to do Sia Snowman music video inspired nail art. As usual, I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to make my manicure long lasting. On my ring finger nail, I'm applying beach polish to draw that cute little doll from the music video. I have sectioned my nail with striping tape to draw the red and green hair of the doll. I was supposed to add red color on the left side and green color on the right side, but I totally did the opposite thing. I have applied red color on the right side and green color on the left side. Please don't do that. I am filling different sections one by one with help of an individual brush instead of applying nail polish directly on my nail, as well as I am removing those striping tapes one by one, as you can see in the video. I am doing it in this way just to avoid the mess. After filling those gaps from the hair part, I have added a tiny little nose and a cute little smile to complete the doll. On rest of my nails, I am applying light blue polish where I am going to do gradient nail art with a purple polish. In this video, I am not giving detail about how to do gradient nail art because I have a separate video where I show that how to do ombre or gradient nail art. So if you want to know how to do ombre nail art or gradient nail art, then please check out that video, link attached in the description box. Over this gradient, I have applied a crystal glitter topper, but for some reason I wasn't satisfied with the look, so that's why I have stamped a swirl pattern with a shimmer pearl polish over my gradient. On my pinky nail, I drew snowman, freehand snowman actually, with a white polish. On rest of my nails, I have stamped snowflakes with a grey polish and a white polish. Last but not least, finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make it long lasting and give it a beautiful shine. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.